Hello friends, welcome you on this video tutorial. I am Assistant Professor Bhagwat Gupte from Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Mahagaon. Friends, today in this session I am going to show you how to send email using phpmailer class. Friends, here is the question that what is phpmailer? My dear friends, phpmailer is nothing but the full-featured email creation and transfer class for PHP. For the use of phpmailer function, we must require some mailer libraries, and that libraries we can download from the github.com and deploy it in our project. So let's move on the web browser. Now I have opened Google Chrome. I'll just search here phpmailer in the search engine, and now I get lots of links over here. I just open the first link in another tab. Now you can see in the browser window at the left hand side you will see here the branch is by default master. Before going to download it, we must make sure that the version should be stable, and in this case I am going to select the 5.2 stable version. Now on the browser screen on right hand side here you can see clone or download. Just you have to download the download zip file. I have already downloaded it, so that I am not going to download it again here. Just I'll show you where it is downloaded. It is downloaded in the download folder here, phpmailer. Just copy it and paste it in a project directory. Project directory is in the XAMPP ht docs, and here I have already pasted here, extracted here and renamed. Inside this phpmailer I have the phpmailer 5.2 stable version, and inside it you can see here the phpmailer upload.php file, and this file we should include in our script for sending the email. So I'll go back on the browser, just scroll down it, and here you can see phpmailer class features. And here is the standard code of the phpmailer class. You just have to copy this code and paste it in a code editor. So friends, I have already downloaded copied code and paste it here. And now here you need to do some couple of settings here. First is this is the phpmailer upload.php file which I had shown you in the project directory. Now I have just created instance here phpmailer class and the set mailer to use smtp server. After that we just mention the host name here, which host we want to use or going to use. In my case I am using the smtp.gmail.com. This is the backup server we must have to configure here. Then authentication mode set always true. Then the credentials of the account, mail account, username and password. I have created username and I have set here password also. Then what we need to enable the encryption mode. There is a small TLS and SSL, and you can set as a in small letter ATO. Then after we should have to mention the port number, TCP port number to connect the mail server. And after that just I have added here sender address and recipient address, and then here is the message subject and message body and alternative body. After that just here make sure that mail is sent or not. For that here just use not $email send, then I'll get the message could not be sent, append with the mailer error $mail error endpoint. If the mail has been sent successfully, then I'll get the message has been sent. So now I just copy the file path and paste it in a browser and just localhost. I have executed the script. Now let's see. Now you can see here the message has been sent. So I have got the mail from mailer ID. Just I am going to show you if I got this mail or not. Now you can see here mailer example. I'll open it. Here is the subject of the title. Here is the subject. In our subject, here is the subject. This is the HTML message body. Now you can see here, this is the HTML message body. Okay friends, thank you. Still you did not like, share and subscribe my channel. I would like to request you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.